Good morning, vlogging world. We are on our way to the Character Outlet warehouse, and we are going to get some goodies, and then we are headed to Magic Kingdom. Going to the Character Warehouse. Okay, so we learned something. Don't come to the outlet if you're pressed for time, because the line was like all the way through the store. So we decided it's open for special holiday hours, so we're gonna come back later tonight after the park closes on to Magic Kingdom. Trip to Walt Disney World, and so she got to pick mode of transportation. And what did you pick, Miss Hannah Banana?
The ferry.
Woo! The Robert Irvine, or Richard Irvine. I got the chef on my mind. Evan, your backpack's unzipped.
I know, and it feels so good.
Rain, and it feels really good because it's hot outside, but I'm loving these pumpkins. So cute, and the fall decorations. We're here! I'm so excited! The Magic Kingdom.
Yay!
Fall time today. It's been raining, so they keep delaying the parade. So we're onward to greener pastures. Evan says it rained on our parade.
Look, that's a roller coaster.
No view like that anywhere else.
What?
Except maybe Disneyland. These ducks are smarter than us. They got out of the rain. Evan, where are we going?
We're riding Dumbo.
You like it up here?
Yeah.
Look, we can see everything.
Higher.
Meow, meow, meow. Look, there's the castle.
Yeah.
Look what we found. Yeah. And
I spent my morning waiting in line for 7 dwarfs.
was it fun?
It was very fun. The line was not fun, but the ride was fun.
Yay.
And then I had a raspberry lemonade slushie, and
Yeah, we're riding the People Splasher.
The guy said, the Peoplemover is now a water ride.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, damn it, oh my gosh. What? We gave my mom.
Go for it! Yeah!
This is hilarious.
The Peoplemover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
We only had 2 ponchos, but some people left theirs at home.
I don't care. Are we gonna get soaked? You gotta warn me if there's water coming up.
Okay. Put your sign out there.
Oh my god. Look at that kid. Look at that kid in the puddle.
The new view of the Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
Look at the castle. Here we go. Space Mountain with the lights on.
That's cool. Look, girls.
Woohoo!
That's what it's like in Hawaii.
That is crazy.
This is the second time we've seen it.
Oh, look at that!
Oh no! Oh
Those
no!
people on there. They're
They're
waving
stuck
at
on
us.
it.
Oh, bless their heart.
We're going again.
Yeah, they should let them ride again.
Yeah,
Well, that was a memorable Peoplemover experience.
that was amazing. I love
Now we
it.
get to go to the Carousel of Progress and witness how American lives evolved and progressed over the years as we look forward to a great big beautiful tomorrow.
Look at the puddle of water from the rain. That's so crazy. Ew. I want to step in it now. Sandals on. And apparently I'm a princess today. I don't know, but ew. That's crazy. No.
Best nap in Disney.
Amanda.
I'm just kidding. I enjoy it.
Okay, that's better.
Maybe.
You know, Walt loved the idea of progress, and he loved the American family. And he put them together in a show called Carousel of Progress. Well, it's another Halloween here in the fabulous 40s. Everything is better than ever now. And we've got some amazing new wonders around the house to prove it. For instance, our refrigerator holds more food and ice cubes. And thanks to our automatic dishwasher, oh, I don't have to dry the dishes anymore after supper. Gives Rover and me more time to enjoy our evening stroll together.
That's what happens when you come in the Carousel of Progress. Magical things happen. Like whenever it doesn't
Like
rain.
technical difficulties.
No, like it quit raining.
Oh yeah.
So it doesn't advertise that they have a veggie burger,
Yeah,
but
I think
I
they-
did get one, and here it is. And I got toppings off the topping bar. Evan got a kid's mac and cheese, and our total, we got a couple of sodas. Our total was $28.18. We did not have a discount this time. We are enjoying our entertainment here at Cosmic Rays. Sonny Eclipse. just noticed how you can see Briar Rabbit's house. There's the stairs upstairs. His little kitchen table. His little bed. Room. Those stairs. And his little chaperone. So cute. Oh, it's a neat store.
All the way to the Tiki room, so.
Let's go!
Yay! Do you guys want to like ride Bigfoot around first?
Briar, sweet Briar. Our clan has made it to Adventureland. And now we must partake of tropical pineapple floats and the Tiki room. Hey Anna, how did you get a pineapple dole float without going to the Tiki room? I don't understand.
Well, I think I walked past the Tiki room and then it just appeared in my hand.
Really?
Yeah, it's magical. It's the Enchanted Tiki room.
Oh, okay.
So I was just close enough to it for the magic.
The bird of the paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard.
Amanda, you're filming your reaction, your first timer.
That was hilarious. It was really, really cute. I liked it. Yeah, it was cute.
Mama, what you think?
It was so cute. I loved it.
We are up on top of the treehouse. This would be cool to see the fireworks.
Yeah.
It feels like amazing out here. Last possible. Neither can. There they go. There they go. Here we go.
And here we go.
Ready? I have some pixie dust so you can slide. Have fun, guys.
That was awesome. Look, it's Tiger Lily and the cheese.
Aw.
Get him, Peter! Oh, look at the little baby Michael.
Aw.
Oh, babe. Good job, Peter. He's the captain now.
Mr. Speed, help me! Help! I'm coming, Captain. Help me! Mr. Speed, help me!
Now I'm in the mood to ride the Little Mermaid.
You're silly. This is my horse, and I think his name is Cherry. Mom says her horse's name is Champion, and she loves Gene Autry. Lon, what's your horse's name?
Silver. Hi-yo, Silver.
What's your horse's name? You don't know? There's Amanda and Evan. I lost one. I don't know where she went. Oh, there's Hannah. Yeehaw!
I give my horses some oats.
Okay. Hi, Jerry. Woo!
for you.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all